Right then, new project time. So I'm currently sat in Darkside's newest and probably the cheapest ever project car that we've ever purchased. We'll have a quick look around it and then we'll talk about what we've got planned. So this is the project. For those that can't quite tell what it is, it's a CR Ibiza 2-litre TDI. It doesn't seem that long ago since I was doing a vlog on a customer's Ibiza 2-litre TDI track car, which got us thinking when this came up for sale at a price we couldn't refuse. Let's build it to a track car. So we've asked a few lads that work here if they want to get involved. Few did. So what we're going to do to start with, we're obviously going to check, make sure it's a good platform to build a track car out of, because if the engine's knackered, the gearbox is knackered, then it's probably a bit much work to be doing that. But as long as the engine runs, we'll get some parts ordered and we'll start building it up. Needs a new door, new lights, rear bumper, interior needs building back up, seat's not even bolted in, needs some wings, rad pack, looks like the intercooler ain't back. Radiator, bonnet, bonnet's knackered. It's on some budget coilovers, so we're probably going to need to upgrade them. Yeah, it's not the best looking thing at the minute. So, what we're going to do to make sure it's alright is connect the coolant pipes together. Jake's just put the intercooler on. It needs a battery, and then...
Check oil and check timing first.
Yeah, we'll check the timing, check the oil, and then, yeah, hopefully it starts.
Well, I'm here, not Mella at the minute, he's upstairs. We haven't told him the bad news. We've gone to turn it over to check the timing and all this oil fell out. So I've pulled this off the bottom of the engine.
Oh no.
And there's bits of...
Hang on, there's some more there, mate.
There's more...
Oh, there's
oh dear, that's a big...
bits.
As you can hear, bits dropping off. That's engine block. That's scraper ring off the bottom of the piston.
Oh.
There's bits of it.
Yeah, yeah.
And I'm just going to try and get under here without covering the GoPro in oil. Paul can grab that.
It's got a rather large
Hole in it.
Yeah.
We think Mella's dreams may be short-lived.
Yeah.
If I grab this camera and this, I'll go break the bad news to him.
How long have you done it?
Get running.
No. Running? Running?
Pistons on there. Did it fire up and blow up? No,
it's not going to run.
Put oil in it and it fell out the bottom.
It fell out the bottom.
Didn't even turn off.
Oh, it would have been better if you turned it off and it blew up.
So about 20 minutes ago, I said this was going to be the cheapest ever Darkside project, and I think it's going to be the shortest as well. Go on, show us what you've found.
There's a bit of engine block. There's a piston, well, bits of a piston. That's where your gudgeon pin would go for those that are mechanically minded. There's the oil scraper ring, or what's left of it. Paul tried to put oil in it, and it fell out.
So I think it's safe to say this is not going to become a track car.
Yeah. No, but for £1 you can buy a raffle ticket, and potentially you could win an Ibiza. Anyone want a paperweight?
I'll keep that bit, I'll give you £1 for it.
Yeah. Car only owes us 99 quid now. The fate of the Ibiza has been decided. It's not going to be a track car, but just for you guys on YouTube, we're going to try and start it up without piston and see what happens. We found a gudgeon pin.
Oh, yeah.
Just put that torch at the other side and let's
Yeah, I'll grab torch.
show the people of YouTube there's
Inspection hole.
inspection hole, yeah. The block inspection hole. Oh, there you go. All the way through.
And it runs.
Yeah, there we go.
So I think on that bombshell, we'll end this video. Hopefully we get another project car that doesn't have this problem. Yeah, if you like what we're doing, subscribe. See you in the next one.